Oh, Yardman there. Big up, Yardman who is here. Who else? Major East says, I saw one with the man and the mango tree. I think it is AI2. Mm-hmm. Raquel says, what she said, she heard from her brother today. He's in Alligator Pond. Everything is destroyed. He needs everything. The entire community needs help. So many communities are now unrecognizable. Yeah, man. It's a sad day. It's a sad day. I mean, no, it would have been just. We can't imagine for the past of the entire island. Me no know. My brother, who is a firefighter, he said to me today that he got a video of a little girl. A video of a girl who she passed. She didn't survive Hurricane Melissa. She was trapped in her home. One little girl who wouldn't pass 12 years old, and you look on them type of stuff, then you're like, oh gosh, man. Oh gosh. And in the middle of this now, you have everybody a pour out now for have relief, give relief efforts to Jamaica. And one of the surprising, well, I would really consider it surprising that now you have President Trump, vowing to offer some aid to the island of Jamaica. With the clip, they see it here.
Hey, Melissa, have you been following that?
Well, I have, because I've never seen numbers like that. I saw a little while ago, 195 mile an hour wind. I've never seen that before. I've never seen, I guess it can get that high, but I've never seen it. And it's literally just, knocking down everything in front of it.
Is the United States going to?
Well, we have to. On a humanitarian basis, we have to. So we're watching it closely, and we're prepared to move. But, it's doing tremendous damage as we speak.
Are y'all excited? Are y'all happy for some aid from the United States of America? On a feel good about that? Can we know the conspiracy theory them are out? A big up Novelette Townsend. We're looking forward to getting some aid from the Trump administration. Like we're in a state on that. More of hearing the thoughts. The people in on TikTok very quiet though. Make sure you go and tap up the screen. Please take me to 2K. We're gonna kind of each one the taps them. Keep on tapping. I would gratefully appreciate it. Alexandra, thank you so much for following my page. Yardman said, could we find a way to get the people connected online? Could we find a way to get people connected online so we can connect them with people abroad who want to donate directly to people? Many have lost everything, including their devices. Herod says, no strings attached. Boxfoot. J. Claire on TikTok says, how do they plan to be transparent about how the aid is dispersed? No, someone who I was a little bit more open to hearing from is the what do you call it now? I think she received the OJ some years ago. Jamaican actress, philanthropist, personality, Shirley Ralph. She made this statement to her social media platforms. Take a listen.
I wear one of those rings that keeps track of your health and well-being, and yesterday the ring kept saying, girl, what's wrong? Why are you so stressed? What's going on? Well, I'm stressed about Hurricane Melissa, and I just wanted to say to everybody who loves Jamaica, has visited Jamaica, loves reggae music, loves Jamaicans or a Jamaican, please get yourselves ready to help and support the rebuilding of the island, because we're going to need help. We're going to need your help. We're going to need your one drop, one love on the beat, boots on the ground, barrels shipped to the island. We're going to need your help. And I just want to say that before the storm. Thank you.
Yeah, man. One Shirley Ralph. But like for that, a lot of people are asking, where are the honorary Jamaicans who have often profited from Brand Jamaica, the culture, the people, the celebrities, and the big international superstars who are always eager to tap into that Jamaican creativity to, you know, increase them sales and increase their overall brand. So people are calling out Nicki Minaj, wanting to see something that is not just performative, like a tweet, like something concrete. People are calling out even Drake. People are calling out to DJ Khaled. Right now, people are even calling out the brand of KFC, because people have an issue that, you know, KFC was one of the first fast food establishments to resume, to open back shortly after Melissa. I know people are at a point where it's just like, oh Lord, oh, something happened right here, saying, oh Lord of mercy. Okay, we're back. I don't know where I'm going right there. So look like there's something you lock off after every 30 minutes. We never say a thing go say it. But we can't switch over to the camera here. But anyway, big up in a Noel. What was I talking about? Somebody can remind me, because you know, so that me have to here try to man this piece of equipment on my own, and to remind me exactly why I'm staying in my lane and don't jump over in a them type of work here, because it is such a stress for me. Oh yeah, I was talking about KFC. Thank you. So people them, but when I think Jamaican people are actually cancel KFC, when I think people are really hold KFC accountable, but I am definitely side-eyeing KFC, because if Chicken and Things is basically an elevated cook shop, you know, but them do good service and them are expand on all of these things. But Chicken and Things is a Jamaican, you know, with a owner who basically, you know, had the mindset for say, you know what, I'm gonna really push these things and for expand and take it to another level. And you have KFC, big KFC, and what it is in Jamaica. And during COVID, you know, so KFC was one of the first fast food places them, as Jamaica say, you know what, COVID reached. KFC must a couple of days after was like, you know what, we're gonna lay off some of our employees. Before Mothers, before Juicy Beef, before so many other companies and businesses, KFC rush out and start to lay off workers. And I was like, if any company in a Jamaica would have actually last the longest for kind of keep them and have some safety net for hold on to the workers them, it would be KFC. So I was very shocked. And so now that you're seeing so many other you know, companies jumping out there, and fast food establishments, Mothers jumping in the conversation, and once again it come like say KFC always slow out of the blocks and wait until the pressure come, you know, that is when them put them out in them ring. We not forgot clean up that, because now people are side-eyeing differently. You understand what I say? People are side-eyeing differently. I also saw another video now, and this came from who this came from. I cannot remember. Let me just go play the video for you right now.
Mr. Speaker, the scenes of destruction emerging from Jamaica are truly shocking. Both the Foreign Secretary and I have been in close contact with our Jamaican counterparts in recent days to offer the UK's full support. Mr. Speaker, I can update the House that HMS Trent and specialist rapid deployment teams are pre-positioned in the region, and we stand ready to provide humanitarian support.
People are definitely willing to go and jump in and offer support. Who that says? Rohan Wandan said people them for cancel KFC. They won't cancel KFC, but I would hope that KFC, you know, KFC, you know, jump in, man, like, basically brand Jamaica, you know, now walking brand Jamaica right there. Should just slow out of the blocks when you have these, you know, moments in a Jamaica. Have to jump in and show that you're really with the people and not just there for capitalism. Come on, man, just do a little better, man. Come on. You get me? We're not going to wait until the Igla them downtown jump up and start to contribute back juice to help out people them in a Mobile and Westmoreland. Come on, man. Canada as well is on board. Okay, nice to know that. But I'm just going to watch and see where things are concerned. But at this moment now, I think I just want to go talk about the fact, say, once you have a what you call it, like a moment like this in Jamaica's history, you gotta have people come in and try to scam the thing. People who are gonna jump in and I try to scam the thing and create fake websites so them can collect all of the money them from the people them who might mean Jamaica well and want to donate and to contribute. So these are some of the websites that so far have been recognized as fraudulent. So that is JamaicaHurricaneHelp.net, JamaicaHurricaneHelp.org, Jamaica-Hurricane-Help.com, and I posted it on the YouTube channel. So if you want to go and check out all of the pages them so far that are definitely not valid, that are not trustworthy, go and go take a look on them. I have them right there on the screen. And one that has been making a rounds is the official government donation site, which is supportjamaica.gov.jm. So you can go and go check that out right there. So if you don't want to go, and there are a couple others. There is What Good with Cherry Lee Ralph and couple other drop-off points. I know Ramesh Entertainment is doing his own thing as well, where you can drop off food items, non-perishable items, so that he and his team can take them to St. Elizabeth and the other affected regions and disperse them. So hopefully who can help, or who the people who are able to help will do so right now. See, we can take in some more comments. TBG says way too much scamming. Very unfortunate given the situation. Somebody said people are so terrible. They all already started, but I cancel those criminals in the name of Jesus. Yes, that is it. And the fake AI vids unnecessary at this time. I spoke about it earlier. Let me see what with what TikTok is saying. Me know I am going underground doing my part as soon as the road them clear up. Big up yourself, Rohan. I also plan to head west as well. Oh, oh God, my throat. Feel like I chat too much. Like I just chat too much. Jesus. Give me a big commercial break. I never know said chatting too much, you know, it's too much, man. When you chat too much, man,